Hi, here we will see how to map a machine to output item and define machine operation cycle time for that output item. Go to Production Issue, Fast Processing. In that there is link in the top for next stage processing. Click that. In that, you will see a link in the bottom for mapping output item to machine. Click that. Here, select the process item, which you have already defined in input and output mapping. Please select the machine against the each output item. Also enter the operation time in seconds only, including loading time, unloading time and setup time. If subcontract required, please select. In that case, time can be 0 due to third-party involvement. Also you can select QA, if required. Then click Update. You now see all the definitions are saved and shown below. You can update the time. In case of any change is required, please feel free to contact us for more information. Thank you.